Do you prefer Popeyes or Chick-fil-A sandwich?
Neither, actually. I'm vegetarian.
Okay.
I don't eat meat, so neither.
Okay.
I'm vegan, so it's again the same thing.
Okay. Vegan.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A sandwich. Popeyes.
Chick-fil-A.
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 Popeyes.
Why?
Because I can get it on a Sunday.
Popeyes all the way.
Oh, why?
That fried more, whereas like Chick-fil-A is like the chicken breast.
Yeah.
I worked at Chick-fil-A for 4 years, so I think I'm obligated. I think I'm kind of biased.
Contractually obligated.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes
Otherwise,
sense.
I'll be kicked off payroll.
Chick-fil-A. Hands down.
Yeah.
Juice, you know. The juice.
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
The Popeyes sandwich, I think it's better, honestly.
Popeye sandwich is nasty.
Yeah.
No, y'all speaking. Yeah, y'all
Popeyes chicken.
The Popeyes, John.
Chick-fil-A.
Popeyes, Chick-fil-A.
Okay, so the first round of Popeyes is banging. I ain't gonna lie to you, but they changed it. I don't know what happened, and it wasn't as good the second time around. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a chicken connoisseur myself, and it just wasn't banging the second time around.
I don't know if this is superficial, but I kind of just like the vibe of Chick-fil-A better.
Who played in the college football national championship?
I don't watch football, and I've never seen a game of football, so.
LSU and Bama.
Alabama.
LSU and Clemson.
LSU Clemson.
LSU and Clemson.
Patriots? Patriots.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, I was gonna say that too.
That's like the
Can you name all three of the Jonas Brothers?
Joe, Nick, and...
Nick, Joe, and...
Nick,
Okay, Casey.
Joe, and... what's
on.
the last one?
Joe, Nick, and
Couldn't tell you, man.
Sean.
Steve.
Steve Jonas. No, you're far from correct.
Steve? No, that's not right.
Evan? Steve or Evan? Maybe one of those two.
Joe, Nick, and Kevin. Of course. The Jonas Brothers, yes. I got you. I watched Camp Rock. That's when I was a stan of them.
I went to their concert this year. Kevin was there.
Poor guy just has to live in the shadow.
Nobody ever remembers Kevin.
Kevin was grossly underappreciated.
That's true. Okay, my next question is, why men great till they gotta be great?
I don't know. Could you repeat? Is that a question or is that?
I don't know.
Great. Like cheese? Like, I don't get it.
I don't know. We're kind of lazy.
Yeah. I just don't feel like being great sometimes.
People disappoint.
Because we're selfish.
Men, we should hold ourselves accountable. And, oftentimes we don't do that until we realize we were wrong.
Oh.
So.
Because they ain't worth nothing.
Probably true.
Because they don't want to show out when it matters.
I mean, yeah, I get that. She's saying like they're good in theory, but then when they actually have to do something, like they don't follow through.
Yeah, she's definitely up there with Plato and Aristotle and all of them.
With that,
I mean, I'd say she's very inspirational and comes up with.
I would not say Aristotle level.
Yeah.
Pressure, you see stuff in the movies and you gotta act like the guy from Die Hard in like big situations.
You gotta talk that talk, but can you walk that walk? You know what I'm saying?
Can you talk the talk and walk the walk?
I do it all. You know what I'm saying? I'm great. Greatness.
I'm about to say, I'm great.
I'm great.
I'm not great.
Can you pronounce this word on my phone?
Oh, my sister loves them things.
Yeah, do you know how to say it?
Charcuterie?
Karachuti? Illiterate.
charcuterie.
That's so close.
Charcuterie?
Illiterate.
I've heard that like a Kanye lyric or something.
Oh, charcuterie! I love that. Charcuterie.
Oh, wow.
I
Have
love
you-
charcuterie.
Oh, okay. Very few people actually know what it is or have
I'm
tried.
wearing a jean jacket. You think I don't know what charcuterie is?
That is true.
Can you name more Avengers or U.S. presidents?
I can't name a lot of either.
U.S. presidents. Okay, so you can go. Yeah, who can do the most? Okay.
Captain America.
George Washington.
Thor.
Abraham Lincoln.
Iron Man, Hulk, Thor,
Black Panther, Spider-Man, Ant-Man, Doctor Strange.
Obama. Nixon. Kennedy.
Clinton. I already said Clinton. Not.
I actually got the history award in high school that year, so.
Wow,
He
that
would-
is really impressive.
He would be like, how do you forget the presidents, Clark? So I'd be like,
Quincy Adams. Jackson. Other Johnson.
Thor.
Harrison.
Iron
Van
Man.
Buren. Tyler. Taft. Franklin.
The Hulk?
Roosevelt. Other Roosevelt.
Okay, finish this lyric. I'm gonna take my horse to the
Old Town Road.
Old Town Road.
Old Town Road.
Where would I take it?
Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to Old Town Road.
ride till I can't no more.
Got more horses in the back.